Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make some shampoo slime. We only need 2 ingredients, but you only need 2 ingredients, which is some shampoo. Doesn't matter if you don't. You might only need 1 piece of shampoo, but so let's get started to the video and like the video. So we'll just put some soap in. Not all soaps work. I mean, not all shampoos work, but I hope this does. Well, I tried it anyway, so I hope it works. So we just get this. If you put too much salt in, guys, it won't be good. And yeah, so just mix it. So just mix it until you can see it's all going. But keep feeling it. But in a bit, just feel, and then you know when your slime is almost finished. So like now, it's not really finished. So you just keep mixing until you think the slime is finished. So, but you keep it's not finished because it's got a little bit of. So just mix it and mix. So as you guys can see, it is turning to slime. It won't be green as always green, but now because you feel it, now there's nothing on my hand. It's only wet. So I have changed it into my shampoo into slime. Now guys, about the shampoo, if whatever colour shampoo, if you have this kind of colour, pink, then your slime would turn out like this. But if you put too much salt in, it will make your slime watery. And yeah, so this video, so I made it yesterday, but not with the exact same shampoo. But remember, not all shampoos work, so try and make sure your shampoo works, because if it doesn't, then there's no point making it. But if your mum gets any, or your dad gets different shampoos, you could try and make it. So yeah, that is how to make shampoo slime. If you like the video, if you think that's really good, and comment down below if you want to make some shampoo slime, because this is actually a pretty good slime to first. So yeah, that is my shampoo slime. So hopefully I'll be selling it. My mum was like, why would you want to sell it? Why would you want to sell your own slime? So there's a slime, and you know, in those little alien things? Yeah, in those little alien things, there's there's those like these, but the green, aren't they? Like those big things. So that's my shampoo slime anyways, guys. So like the video and subscribe. So there it is. There's my shampoo slime. So if you've enjoyed the video, and yeah, so I would like to and comment down below if you want to make some shampoo slime, because I and because then you can just play with it like I'm doing now. And see all these bits, just do it now and again, but because when you feel it, it's, I mean, I didn't, nothing on my hands, and now you can see 2 little dints. So yeah, that's the shampoo slime. So if you like the video, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. So see you, bye.